It was initially settled in 1864 by a man called Ezra Firth, who named the area after an incident where Aboriginal people were surprised by the arrival of settlers. The town developed as a railway and cattle trucking centre after the Etheridge railway line reached the area in 1908. It also served as a telegraph station and a jumping-off point for exploring the nearby Undara lava tubes. Hi! We're videoing you! Welcome to Mount Surprise. And we're at the Mount Surprise pub. The Mount Surprise Hotel was established in 1910, coinciding with the town's development as a cattle trucking centre on the Eldridge Railway. It was one of two hotels built near the railway station, the only one standing now. The hotel played a social role in the community, serving as a gathering place for locals at dances and cricket matches. The Mount Surprise Hotel is a thriving pub even today. There were two French backpacker girls serving behind the bar. They're here for a few months to earn their second-year visa to stay in Australia. How long are you here for? Working?
We arrived in April,
Yeah.
and I think we'll live in.
Psycho Lane sounds a bit scary. There's about 4 plots here, filled plots. Just goes to show it's a very small place. This is actually the main highway. Can you believe it? The train stops in Mount Surprise for the night, and the passengers are taken to the Discovery Park, where they stay the night, and in the morning they return after their breakfast to carry on the journey.